Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic today is about we need to find the value of x. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before we calculate about this one, we can see that we have two right angles in here. The first thing we need to do, we need to connect about this point to this point in here. And now we have two right triangles. The first thing we need to find the value of the red line AB. So to do about this one, we have the formula in here. So we need to apply about Pythagorean theorem. So two sides of triangle with the right angles in here, we have about 5 square plus 6 square equals to 8b square. And we calculate the numbers in here. That is about 61. Now let's go to the second triangle. We have S7, 8B and the right angle in here. So we apply the same formula. We know that AB square, that is about 61. So I will put 61 cone here. So I will put this one go to the right. So we have 12. Later that we put the square root for the both sides. And this one we have number 2 with the square root of number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.